Okay guys, this is Sonamas again signing in the YouTube. Today I want to teach you another tutorial. No tutorial, my style, why Republican, why brutal style. So let's start this thing and start this. The title of my tutorial is this. Uno mas tutorial, uno mas 4-in-1 tools by Republican style. Well, it's a 4-in-1 tools. Why? You will see. Okay. First, okay. You must open the program and I do already open it, and here it goes. Now you have to put in the ID and the password in here. Now the designated room you want to join, and I'm choosing Metro Manila Barkada 7. Choosing Metro Manila Barkada 7. It's okay. Why it is 4-in-1? It's a room booter, right? So you must click it, boot new user who joins the room, and you must then click join the room. There it goes. Type in the captcha. And press enter. There it goes. Now what you want to do is type in here the spam message you want. Here I will delete this one. It goes I will type in goes. Okay, I already typed the spam room message, and let's click the spam room. Here it goes, and click it again. Okay, there it goes. Why Republica loves you all more. Pasok lang po. Freak. There it goes. As you can see, it's spamming. Yep, it's continues spamming. And actually you can make a room boot. You may click in show cam or cam sex. These two are options for room booting. Okay, but I will not room boot the room because I don't want them to left the room. Actually maybe someone is making a room boot in this room, Metro Manila Barkada, because so many have left the room. So this is Sonamas signing out in YouTube, and hope guys you do like my tutorial. Just click in the menu. It's 4-in-1. Just click in the menu here. It's an ID maker. If you want to go to the ID maker, it's an avatar grabber. Clicking multi-eye if you want to multi-layout, and it's an alias editor. It's a room booter. Okay, here it goes in spammer. Actually, it's more than 4-in-1. It's 6-in-1. So this is Sonamas signing out in YouTube. Bye guys, and I hope you do like my tutorial. And if you do like my tutorial, do subscribe in my YouTube video and tell that click in like, and if you don't like my tutorial, click in unlike, just like that. And this is Sonamas signing out in YouTube. I love you guys. I love you all. Bye guys. Mwah. I love you.